Hello, my name is Angelica Caballero, and today I'm going to talk about the two fundamental parts of the curriculum design that are the environmental analysis and needs analysis. So let's start. So, environmental analysis is about understanding the real situation where teaching happens. So, it considers who the learners are, who the teachers are, and what the learning environment is like. So, as we can see here, those three elements, the learners, the teachers, and the situations are closely connected. And by looking at these three together, the teachers can decide what to include in a course and how to teach it in a way that fits the context and makes the learning possible. So, why is this analysis so important? Because it helps the teachers to plan lessons that actually works in real life, in real classrooms environment. So, for example, if we don't understand the teaching environment first, our classes will easily fail. So we need to understand the environment, the teaching environment, because maybe there is not enough time for class or the resources are not available. Maybe the students are not ready yet. So, for example, if the teachers don't have enough training, we cannot expect them to handle very complex activities. So, by looking at the environment first, we can we can adjust, we can adapt our methods, our lessons, so the learning can really happen with the conditions that we have, not the ideal ones. So now let's move to needs analysis. While the environmental analysis focuses on the context, the needs analysis focuses on the learner. So focus on understanding what the learners already know and what they are struggling with and what they want to learn. So this process helps the teachers to identify the gap between the current abilities and the desired outcomes and ensures, of course, the content of the course is relevant, useful, and also motivating for the students. That's an important part. So, in needs analysis, we usually talk about two main types of needs. The first one is the target needs, which refers to what the learners need to be able to do in real situations after the course ends. And all the target needs can be divided into three parts: necessities, are what the learners must not know or be able to do, like writing academic essays or giving presentations, and also lacks refers to the difference between what the learners can do now and what they need to do. And wants are what the learners personally would like to learn, even if those don't always match what is required. And also the second time, it's learning needs, which focuses more on the learning process itself. This looks at how the learners learn best, what they need in the classroom to learn effectively, such as more group work, more feedback from the teacher, or more visual support. So finally, it's important to understand that both of them go hand in hand. Needs analysis helps see what the learners need to learn, while environmental analysis helps understand what is realistic in our teaching situations. And when we look at both at the same time, we can balance the learner needs with real conditions like time, resources, and teaching context. So these help us design courses that are meaningful for the learners and practical to implement in the classroom. So thank you for watching.